Hello, sorry about that interruption. I have to end that video. Something came up. So, as we are developing, as we are making use of the various information, we'll be treating all these other menus one after the other. So we will be looking at all these informations. For the file, what you can actually see is the information, the new, want to create a new page or a new sheet. This is where you have to go. Then the open, the save. Take for example, you are looking for a set document. Come to this open, you see many of them. Then the save, the save as, the print. You want to print, you want to share, export, close, account, and operations. For many of them, you may not use them, but it's okay. Let's go back. As for the home tab, up to time, always ensure your tab is on home tab, because that is where some of the things you will be in need of will be, depending on what you are doing. So that's about that. So I have been able to create all these ones so far. Do I think address is necessary? Yes. Let's use a word to add address. Just call it home address. Can call it home add. We are adding another menu to what we have created. We have serial number, name, program, duration, amount, then address. Is it address or phone number? Let's call it a phone number. Which one should we add? Should we call it phone number or address? Let's just call it phone number. Phone number. I just add it, then select it from that F, double click it so that I take you to that spot. Then what do we do again? We select, then we add another border to it. Then as for this, we can discover that it's no longer central aligned. We work on that. Then let's make this one bigger so that, okay, it's not bigger than A4. You can see now it has spilled over A4 size. This line is what we are maintaining. This very line you can see is what we are maintaining. That is the horizontal line that tells you that is the limit A4 size can go. And this one in the horizontal side, and this one is the in the horizontal. This very line is the limit that is telling you how it can go in the vertical side. That is the A4 size. So anything that pass across this very line and this very line is telling you that you are no longer working on A4 size. Meaning if you happen to print, it will enter the next page. So that is how it is. If you happen to print when the information is no longer inside this place, in this place, take for instance the information is now in this place, or the information is now in this place. What is going wrong? The information is now in this place. The information is now in this place. It means you should be ready to get another A4. So we will know your information will not be printed on this very A4. That's how it is. We have added phone number, another column, or another menu to it. So what we now do, we now merge this one so that if you can look at this CONFIDE I.C.T now, it's no longer in this middle. We now merge again to centralize it, center align rather, then merge. So that's about that. Then make this one border as well. Then you can now select 1, enter, 2, enter, 3, enter. Remember we said we are working with just 10 information. 1, 2, 3, then select to give it's more than 10. That is how to automatically select numbers if you don't want to keep writing it manually. Writing it manually will definitely kill your time. So what you just do, just delete it, count from 1 to 3, then select. You can see this small plus. If you look at this plus now, it's a white tick plus, and this one is a black thin plus. When you drag it down, you can see we already counted up to 352. You can see now. When you come across hash like this, sharp hash like this, hash, you know that oftentimes the space is not big enough. Double click, you can see that is the number. So imagine if we were counting, if we were doing it manually, 1, 2, 3, 4, you wouldn't probably by now you wouldn't even be up to 50. So Control Z, Control Z. Then we are going to 10, while we put some random names. That's it by that. Number 1, they cannot say OV George, ORGE. Let's just finish entering the name before we enter the various program. OV George, OV George, Ovioba Clara, Iyoha Demia, Egbon Laura, Ekosodin Dande, Ahimie Mona Lawrence, Iteku James, Mu Diaga Davison, Eromonde Evanson, Udalo Abigail. So program of admission, let's look at the program of admission. Advanced, this one advanced desktop publishing. Since the name, none of the name is bigger than that, let's make this one bigger instead. So advanced desktop publishing, make it smaller because of the phone number has spilled over the line. Then this other one, basic desktop publishing. This one, let's just select both of them like that, so that's just random. Advanced desktop publishing, basic desktop publishing. Duration, this one is how many months? 6 months. 6 months. 6 months. Oftentimes I will not even encourage you to be 6. Okay, indicate the months and the distance together. Duration 6. Okay, let's just put it like that because there's no special thing we are doing together. But as time goes, you understand what I'm trying to do better. 6 months. Basic desktop publishing. This one is 3 months. Okay, call it 3 months. 3 months. This one is 6 months. Okay, 6 months, 3 months, 6 months, 3 months. So let's just select it like this so that it go like that. Only the last one is supposed to be no, sorry. 6 months, 3 months, advanced 6 months again, 6 months. That is 3 months. Okay, let's try it again. Let's see if it works. Yep. This is about, yes, this is what we want. Then amount 3 months. 3 months is 61. 61,000. This one is 92,000. Then just select it from A, put a comma. The other one 61 123. The other one 92 123. Then select it like this again. It's supposed to be I just pan through it. Hold on. Okay, go back to it. Then 91 61. This one okay 66 months. No, I made a mistake. 6 months, we are talking about 6 months. 92 123. Then 3 months is 61 123. 92 123. 61 123. Let us let's see if it will work this time. Otherwise we do it manually. Let's keep doing it manually. The other one is 6 months is 6 months is 6 months is 92 123. 61 123. Sorry, 61 123. 91 123. 61 123. 91 123. Then sorry, 91 123. 61 123. We correct some things here. 92 92 92 92 92. Phone number. This how to impute phone numbers. You use this inverted comma, quote, one single quote. Then before you enter your phone number 080 666 214243. They just for training purpose, they just use one number in all of them. Okay, it even automatically changes. Okay, Excel has its own inbuilt functions to say. It has its own inbuilt function. Take for instance, now you are saying January. You have January, February. Excel will know that you are trying to do the date, month of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. If you take it one more time, that will be December. That is one of the inbuilt of Excel. Excel has so many inbuilt functions. As we are working together with this Excel, we have every reason to know that Excel is one of the programs everyone is expected to know. So at this medium, this is an analysis of the various students at CONFIDE I.C.T. Then always learn to put your border so that by the time you want to print, okay, let's make it bigger. By the time you want to print, it will be easy to read through. So let's see. If we preview now, discover all those lines down there will not be there apart from the one we